What is going on, everyone? My name's Chaotic, and welcome back to another reaction. You people have heard me say this so much, you're probably going to get annoyed. But we are back. A band I listen to, probably my favorite band. Currently, I Prevail has dropped a collab with Aluminum and Excision, I want to say is the other artist's name. I believe both of those two, Aluminum and Excision, are EDM type artists. And if you guys don't know, I Prevail is like a rock metal group. Phenomenal. I love I Prevail. So I said, you know what? I saw this was coming out Friday. I'm like, I gotta react to it. Let's get my reaction to this. Not a huge fan of EDM, but let's see how it blends with the song. Remember, like, comment down below if you enjoyed it. Subscribe, hit the bell, turn on notifications when you do subscribe to get access and notifications for every video I do upload. Let's get right into this.
I don't pray to God, but I did today, just to take a minute of the pain away. 'Cause I'm scared that I believe in nothing. Am I on my own? I don't wanna break, but I did today, 'cause I only have myself to blame. Should I just let go? I'm afraid to let go. I'd do anything, just to feel something, just to feel something. Yeah, I give everything, just to feel something, just to feel something.
Wow, baby. So not what I was expecting from it, but wow, dude. Loving how Brian sounds on this. His how he's putting the words into it. The emotion going into the song. Definitely like it. It is a lyric video, so thankfully get the lyrics down below. You guys can see, I can see. I'm enjoying it. And, you know, love I Prevail. Really want to see what the little beats got to it. Let's pause before the bass drop. Yo, this sounds awesome.
Just let me feel something.
Oh my god, Eric came in with the scream, dude. I forgot. I hadn't even heard him yet. Oh my god. That fucking bass drop, guys. Wow. I want to start listening to EDM. Alright, guys. Aluminum, Excision, and I Prevail feel something. I definitely felt something. As you guys can see by the way I was moving, my head. I get this little thing when, like, bass drops and shit get me. I'm like, I just like to shake my head sideways a little bit, rattle me. It feels like I'm in a fucking roller coaster. But, oh my god, that was awesome. I want to check out some more EDM stuff. If you guys want me to react, do like a first time reaction to EDM type stuff, like Aluminum, for instance, definitely let me know. I would love to actually check them out. Definitely not into this stuff, but geez, that sounded awesome. Brian, fucking phenomenal. Eric came in with the scream, and I was like, oh shit, the scream. I feel something. I can't scream. It's almost 1 in the morning. I can't scream. But fucking phenomenal. Great song. I really did like this collab. We haven't gotten a new I Prevail song in a while, even if it is just a feature. I'm really excited for what they have next. I'm excited to see when I Prevail finally drops another album, guys. Oh my god, I will lose my mind. And I get to see them live again, hopefully soon. Let's hope 2021 that they come back to Boston and I get to see them headline. But that's going to be it for the video, guys. If you did enjoy, like it. Comment down below what you thought on the song. What do you thought of all the artists, the band, Aluminum, whatever. Subscribe and hit that bell. That way you get all the notifications when I upload. We're on that upload grind. We're on that everyday hustle. We're here to make it. Alright, guys. It's going to be it though. Peace, boys.